Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel. Gardening is my passion. Friends, today is Sunday, and I am visiting Galiff Plant Market. This is the biggest market, nursery market, around 2 kilometers long, and the both sides of the road you can see hundreds and thousands of plants, variety of plants you can see, and the prices are very reasonable. In around 20 to 30 rupees you can get every kind of flowering plant and fruiting plant. Here you can see these are the organda or sadabahar, every kind of bella, belly or jasmine rose, and different types of gudhal or different types of hibiscus variety you can see. Around 50 rupees you can buy every kind of desi hibiscus or maybe Bangalore variety or Pune variety, every kind of plant there. If you want some American variety or tropical variety, also you can get. Prices may be higher, but you can get if you want any kind of plant, maybe a permanent flowering plant, seasonal flowering plants, or maybe a fruit plant. Every kind of fruit plant, best quality of plant are available that are very nice quality and that are very and steady conditions and their sizes, and the plant's quality is very nice, very fresh. You can see different type of Chinese evergreen, aglonema, some tulsi variety, and you can see the plants here, some the rubber plants, pothos and broken heart, different types of arelia. You can see some syngonium or different types of, you can see this crepulada. Every kind of plant you can get here 20 to 30 to 50 rupees if you spend. And their croton, and crotons are all of different color options you can get in crotons or dracena. Around 100 varieties of dracena you can get here, and the people come here, visit here, and this is the only Sunday open market in around from early in the morning 6 o'clock to up to evening of the Sunday. And you can see these are the all plants of varieties of portulaca or these kinds of flowering plants. One bunch and one pot you can get in 50 rupees only, and you can see the flower, beautiful color options. You can see the color options of this if you buy this. And there are lots of variety of porcelain and lots of varieties of this portulaca, all are available here. And you will amazed to see if you visit here, only in Sunday open. And if you visit around, if you take 2 to 3 hours time, you can see variety of plants. These are all aglonema, beautiful shapes, colors option, and some snake plants you can see. Lots of varieties of snake plants, and more than 10 varieties of tulsi plants are also available. This is passion flowers or koropanda flowers in some bunches and some machan, and very nice. And there are also lots of fruit plants are available, all the grafted fruit plants. If you want you can get here. And I tell you the prices are very reasonable. And if you want you can make some bargaining also here. Bargaining is also done here, so sometimes they ask more price, you can bargain properly and you can get price in your reasonable prices. But the quality, I tell you, the quality is very nice, and they will pack you properly so that you can carry it to your home properly. And here if you want some seeds also available, lots of variety of seeds. You can see some vegetable seeds available in around 5 rupees only. You can get small packets of vegetable seeds packet, but if you want you can get bigger packet also. Flower seeds are also available, but flower seeds quality is not that good. But if you want you can, vegetable seeds are also very nice. You see this is the patilebu, lemon, some different kinds of limes available here, mosambi, malta, every kind of mango plants also available here. Water apple, java apple, every kind of water apple, guava, different varieties of guava you can get. And different grafted plants of all kind of mango varieties you can get in around 100 rupees to 150 rupees. Every kind of best quality of mango varieties plants also you can get. So you must visit here. And I'll tell you, if you want you can get some of this fertilizer also, manures, fertilizers, coco peat, and charcoal also available. And in no market you can get such kind of variety of goods, especially these are coco peat bricks you can see. and some horn meal, bone meal, leather meal, some stera meal, chemical fertilizers, maybe DAP, super phosphate, potash, and every kind of pebbles, colored pebbles you can get, and their price is very cheap, around 30 to 50 rupees kilo you can get these pebbles, and in standard markets you can get 200 rupees kilo, but here you can get in 50 rupees kilo only. Every kind of colored pebbles for decoration of the plants or decoration of the ornamental plants and ornamental pots you can decorate here. And I'll show you different types of, this is some people are buying, purchasing these goods here, the chemical fertilizers. You can see around 30 to 40 rupees kilo you can get chemical. This is mustard cake powder or super phosphate, around 30 to 40 rupees kilo you can get all kinds of vegetable seeds or vegetables or fertilizers, manures, all kinds of pesticide, herbicide, everything you can think of. So visit here only on Sundays from early in the morning 6 o'clock in the evening up to 6 o'clock only on Sundays. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.